Eaton Roofing is always here for all your roofing needs, and especially when a natural disaster strikes.
We were tarping roofs. We were trying to limit the loss. There was rain involved after the tornado and whatnot. A little bit of hail came after that too. So we tried to get everything closed back off. So at least they had the reassurance of knowing, hey, the rest of my house is going to at least stay dry until we can get the pieces put back together.
Call Eaton Roofing and Exteriors today.